What's up, everyone? Today we're going to talk about spins. But before I start talking about this topic, let's talk about what is a spin. In aviation, a spin is a type of stall in which the plane starts descending in a corkscrew path, just like in this illustration. So it seems like the plane is spinning around until it hits the ground, unless you do something about it. But this is pretty much the illustration of how a spin looks in an aircraft. So let's talk about point number one. It says an airplane will spin after it stalls and one wing loses more lift than the other. An airplane will spin after it stalls, and we know that stalls means when the plane is not generating enough lift, and one wing loses more lift than the other. So in this case, we have two wings, right? We're stalling, meaning we're not generating enough lift, but in this case, one wing is not generating enough lift to stay airborne than the other. So that's the situation happening here. Point number two says, to enter a spin, an airplane must always be stalled first. So this is a rule of thumb. To enter a spin, an airplane must always be stalled first, meaning both wings have exceeded the critical angle of attack. Both wings have exceeded the critical angle of attack. So pretty much in this situation, the airflow around the wings is being disrupted. So that is what's causing the spin, because we're disrupting the wing over both wings. So keep this in mind. An airplane will spin after it stalls. It's not generating any more lift, and one wing loses more lift than the other. To enter a spin, an airplane must always be stalled first. Always be stalled first, meaning both wings have exceeded the critical angle of attack.